Want to watch YouTube and use other apps on Android? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the YouTube app. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon to open up settings. Now tap on General. Here, you want to scroll down and find the option of Picture in Picture. Make sure to toggle that option on. Now, this only works for premium account holders, but if you're using Android device, there is another trick that you can use. First, launch open YouTube. Now play any video, then exit out of the YouTube app. Here, tap on the YouTube icon. Now you have two options, open in split screen view or open in pop-up view. You can basically choose whichever you want. If you select open in pop-up view, it's going to appear something like this. Now you can continue to play the video and use other apps from here. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.